You step into a car with no driver, the doors close automatically, and the vehicle navigates city streets on its own. This isn't science fiction. It's Tesla's Robotaxi service, rolling out right now in Austin, Texas and the San Francisco Bay Area. But in late December 2025, Tesla made an announcement that reveals something fascinating about autonomous vehicle operations. The company introduced cleaning fees for its Robotaxi fleet, $50 for moderate messes like food spills, and $150 for severe incidents like biowaste or smoking. Today, we're exploring what these fees mean, how they compare to competitors, and why something as simple as a cleaning fee is actually crucial for the future of autonomous transportation. First discovered in November 2025 through the Robotaxi app and officially rolled out in late December, Tesla's structure is straightforward. $50 covers moderate messes, food spills, significant dirt, and minor stains. $150 applies to severe incidents, biowaste and smoking, which can leave lasting damage. Here's the interesting part. There's no human driver to inspect the vehicle. Tesla uses interior cameras and AI-powered sensors to monitor the cabin and detect messes. When the system flags an issue, riders receive an email notification and an updated receipt in the app's ride history section. If you dispute a charge, you call customer support and follow prompts for option 7. Tesla wants human oversight for disputes rather than purely automated resolution. According to Tesla's official statement, we prioritize maintaining a clean and comfortable environment for all riders and promoting responsible rider behavior. To address incidents where vehicles require additional cleaning after a trip, we will assess the type and severity of the mess and apply the appropriate fee. To understand why these fees matter, consider what's missing: human drivers. In traditional ride-hailing, drivers refuse problematic passengers, document messes immediately, and do light cleaning between rides. Autonomous vehicles have none of these safeguards. As Drive Tesla Canada noted, without an onboard driver to intervene, document issues, or clean up between trips, Tesla needs clear rules, automated enforcement, and consistent standards. The economics are critical. Tesla operates about 135 Robotaxis currently, with plans to expand to Las Vegas, Phoenix, Dallas, Houston, and Miami. When a vehicle gets soiled, it must return to a depot for cleaning. Time, it's not earning revenue. According to the Victoria Transport Policy Institute, autonomous taxis need cleaning every 5 to 15 trips, adding 33 cents to $2 per trip in operational costs. The fees offset these costs while encouraging responsible behavior. Industry analysts say such policies are essential for large autonomous fleets to operate profitably. Tesla isn't pioneering this approach. They're adapting existing industry practices. Uber uses a 4-tier system: $20 for small messes, $40 for exterior vomit, $80 for moderate interior spills, and $150 for significant bodily fluids. Lyft charges $25 to $50 for food spills, $100 for smaller bodily fluid incidents, and $250 for major messes. Tesla's 2-tier system is simpler but charges the same maximum, $150, as Uber. This positioning makes sense, easy to understand while covering real maintenance costs. Tesla's main competitor, Waymo, operates 2,500 Robotaxis, providing 250,000 weekly rides. They partner with Avis and Uber for fleet management. Tesla's vertically integrated approach gives them more control but requires solving all operational problems in-house, including cleaning. According to McKinsey, the robotaxi market could reach $2.3 trillion by 2030. Cleaning fees and automated maintenance aren't minor details. They're essential for making this market viable. Early reactions have been mixed but revealing. The Tesla Robotaxi app has been installed 529,000 times as of December 2025. Social media shows excitement about the technology, with riders posting videos praising the smooth experience. On December 24th, CEO Elon Musk posted, "A Tesla with no safety monitor in the car and me sitting in the passenger seat took me all around Austin on Sunday with perfect driving." These demonstrations generated significant buzz. However, concerns remain. CNBC reported the NHTSA is investigating incidents including wrong-side driving and phantom braking. 7 collisions occurred in Austin's fleet through mid-October 2025. An AAA survey showed 66% of U.S. drivers feel fearful about autonomous vehicles. The street noted that while Tesla enthusiasts are excited, the anemic fleet size and constant presence of a safety monitor have left much to be desired. Musk acknowledged this, stating it's prudent to start with a small number, confirm things are going well, and then scale it up. Let's talk about benefits and concerns. Why this makes sense. The benefits are clear. Financial disincentives reduce cleaning frequency, maximizing vehicle uptime. Rider accountability becomes essential without human oversight. Better cleanliness improves experience for subsequent passengers. And the fees recover real costs. Vehicles need human labor, cleaning supplies, and depot time for deep cleaning. But concerns also exist. How accurate is Tesla's AI in detecting messes? If multiple passengers use a vehicle between cleanings, who gets charged? The phone-based dispute process is inconvenient. Tesla hasn't disclosed how their detection system works, creating transparency issues. Interior cameras raise privacy concerns, and unexpected fees can sour the user experience, potentially driving customers to competitors like Waymo. Tesla needs to address these concerns to maintain customer trust as they scale. Here's where things get really interesting. Tesla has developed an autonomous vacuum robot to clean robotaxi interiors without human intervention. This robotic arm can remove debris, vacuum upholstery, wipe touchscreens, retrieve lost items, and even remove drink bottles from cup holders. The system aims to minimize downtime and labor costs, allowing vehicles to handle routine cleaning autonomously. While severe messes will still require human intervention, moderate issues, the $50 tier, might eventually be handled automatically. According to market research, the autonomous vehicle cleaning and maintenance market is accelerating, with significant growth predicted through 2034. Tesla isn't alone. Companies like Pudu Robotics launched similar systems in 2025. This suggests the industry recognizes automated cleaning as critical for scaling autonomous fleets. So what does this all mean? Tesla's cleaning fee policy represents one piece of a larger puzzle. Truly autonomous transportation requires solving countless practical problems beyond just the driving. Fleet management, passenger behavior, cleaning, maintenance, every aspect needs reimagining for a driverless world. This is a gradual evolution, not a sudden revolution. Tesla started with safety monitors. Now they're testing fully driverless operation. They're implementing policies and technologies piece by piece, learning as they scale. The cleaning fees create behavioral incentives. AI monitoring provides enforcement. Robotic systems reduce costs. These must all work together. We're witnessing the messy, fascinating process of building the future. It's thousands of practical decisions like this, unglamorous but essential. As the market matures toward that $2.3 trillion projection, these operational details will determine which companies succeed. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you use Tesla Robotaxis in your city? Are these fees fair? How do you feel about AI monitoring vehicle interiors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe. We cover the latest in autonomous vehicles, electric cars, and emerging transportation technology. Hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.